Hi, I'm Mark Graban from KaiNexus, and I'm going to talk today about some ideas that will help you identify OIs or opportunities for improvement in your workplace. The first step in improvement, quite simply, is to identify problems, to identify opportunities for improvement. And one important way we do that is by simply asking people, or asking our employees, asking customers or patients, asking the people that do the work, what bugs you? What gets in the way? What interferes with providing the best possible service? And when we ask, leaders have to make sure that we've created an environment where it's safe for people to point out problems. We want to make it safe for people to speak up instead of hiding or looking the other way when problems occur. So we can ask people to point out what bugs them. All of the little things that add up to make a big difference. All of these little OIs. We don't need to ask people to come up with big, huge projects or an individual idea that saves $1 million. We want to help get the ball rolling, and asking people for their ideas and having a good environment that allows them to speak up is key. So once we've maybe exhausted all the things that people naturally come up with or will volunteer or will point out, after we've asked, and we want to continue asking, but one other thing that helps is to go and help observe people doing the work. This can be peer-to-peer, it can be done by a supportive manager or an internal improvement coach. I find it works really well when it's peer-to-peer, it's less threatening that way. But we can teach people to identify waste. So that's where we can use basic lean principles to maybe help people see problems that they wouldn't see otherwise. We can see somebody struggling with something. We can see them having to bend down underneath a desk to plug in a computer and realize that that's an OI. We see a circulating nurse running in and out of the operating room constantly. That's an OI. They might have accepted that as just the normal way things work around here. But sometimes a separate set of eyes and an observer will help them point that out. So we want to ask people, we can observe, and then we can also try to help tie things to the organization's goals and objectives. Instead of asking real broadly what bugs you, we can ask people questions about safety and quality, customer service, cost. What are things that we can do to improve each of those areas? Those are all OIs or opportunities for improvement, and I wish you great success in identifying those OIs and then using the KaiNexus system to help put solutions in place and document what's been done.